last night, which was the 16th, Wayfair sent us a package. And it came from Houston, Texas. So let's see whether we got the right one. Well, that's good. Got the corner protectors on it. That is the top. Has the proper number of holes in it. Yes, folks, number 5 has arrived. I can begin assembling the vanity now. I have put together all the other stuff in the previous videos, and you can go back and check those out if you want to see where we're at. I know, it's a while, you forget. We can move forward. But, thank you, Wayfair. I appreciate you making up for the mistake, and we'll go from here. If you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. And normally I wouldn't be doing these short videos on a Sunday, but the project's just worked out that way. Thanks for watching.